going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm out on the sled today. This is actually probably the first time I've rode on it by myself, and in the past I really don't have any experience with snowmobiles. Maybe like a half an hour or so, maybe a little bit more now from just going around on this thing a little bit. But yeah, hopefully the audio sounds good in this video. I got a snowmobile helmet on, so it's like pretty, it might sound a little muffled, I don't know. Woo! And it's snowing right now, so it's nice and fluffy. Got my best friend Michael coming up later today. Oh, there's the trail. Almost went right by it. I finally finished that backyard snowboard jump, so we're gonna make a vlog of that either today or tomorrow. It's pretty big. It's probably about 30-40 feet to jump. I don't know, hopefully I can backflip it or something. Should be a fun day either way. Yeah, I wanted to pump out more videos last week, but it was like completely sub-zero temperatures all week. Like, I think the warmest I got was probably like negative like 3 or something, and that was without wind chill. I think the feels like was mostly like negative 24. So I was like, yeah, I don't really feel like going outside and recording. Can you take these things in the woods? I don't know if you're supposed to or not. Because you hit a stump. Tell me if you guys just ride your sleds around in the woods. I don't want to break anything. I'm afraid I'm going to like hit a stump or something. Or like get the ski caught on a log. But yeah, I got a new battery on the way for the 450. I was expecting to make more videos with that until the battery went, and I know a lot of you watch the channel for the quad, but just to let you know, they are on the way. I haven't rode that thing in like forever. It's always something that goes wrong with that thing in the winter. It's usually the battery too. Let's go over here. I'm not used to these throttles on here. You know, it's like kind of like a thumb throttle, but it's like a lot bigger. Thumb's got to get used to it. Would be nice to have like big hand guards for this thing, like the ones people use in GNCC racing that are like compartments. They're like cloth, but you just like stick your hands in there to keep the mud out. Keep your hands a lot warmer. I got the heaters on though. It does have heated grips, so that's nice. Oh, we can like ride down the ditch. Is this considered ditch banging? I don't know. Tell me what kind of sleds you guys have, or even bikes or quads. I always like to see what other people ride that are watching my videos. It's usually a big mix of different things. It's pretty cool. The sled does kind of have one problem though. When I when it sits for more than maybe 2-3 hours, every time I gotta take the spark plugs out and put some gas in there and to get it to start back up. I don't know if it's like something with a fuel pump or something, but if you guys know anything about that, because I hardly know anything about sleds. Gotta figure out how to turn on this thing. That's fun. That is fun right there. Let's see. Hitting some bumps there at the end. Gotta one ski it. That's pretty quick right there. I gotta clean off the lens. Clean off that lens so the viewers can see. Usually drifts a lot back in this corner. Let's see if I'm right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Drifting this thing feels very similar to how a quad drifts. I'm pretty surprised. I literally feel like I'm on the quad kind of when I turn this thing. Except it's just a lot faster. Gosh, this thing's crazy fun. Oh, my head's frozen though. Oh, I can't get over it. I pinched my hand against the throttle. Well, alright guys, I'm about frozen. Sorry if I didn't talk much there at the end, but I was just, this thing's fun. Especially in the fresh stuff, you can just whip it around. But my right hand is frozen. So I'm gonna check out. As always, thanks for watching. We got a giveaway coming up soon. That'll be later in the week. But I should have another video out tomorrow. I'm just gonna try and get as many videos out this week as I can, because I've been slacking, yo. But if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I usually upload Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today's Tuesday. Yes, it is. I gotta dig out that fire pit. We're probably gonna have a fire in the snow later. Fire in the snow. Fire in the snow. Fire in the snow.